Predicting and anticipating, using context clues in lectures. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving deep into listening comprehension strategies. Specifically, we're going to focus on predicting and anticipating while listening to lectures. We'll be using context clues to guess what might come next, which will greatly help your comprehension and retention. So, let's get started. Context clues are the bits of information that surround a word or phrase and shed light on its meaning. When you're listening to a lecture, the speaker may not define every complex word or idea, but they will often provide sufficient context for you to figure out the meaning. Consider this example. If you hear the word photosynthesis in a lecture about plants, you can use the surrounding information to guess it has something to do with plants even if you didn't know the exact meaning. Predicting and anticipating what a speaker will say next is a powerful tool for comprehension, especially in lectures. Often, the speaker will give us hints or clues about what they are about to discuss. For example, a lecturer might say, "Now, let's turn to the main causes of World War II." The context clue here is main causes, which allows you to anticipate that the speaker will discuss several factors contributing to the start of World War II. The first step to practicing context clues in lectures is to actively listen. Don't just hear the words, try to understand the overall themes and ideas. Listen for transitional phrases like, for example, however, or in conclusion, as they often indicate new information or a shift in the discussion. Practice with a variety of lectures on different topics. This will help you get comfortable with different speaking styles and vocabularies. Try to predict the content and check your understanding as you go along. Finally, don't forget to review the lecture. Going over the content again will allow you to catch anything you might have missed and solidify your understanding. That wraps up our discussion on predicting and anticipating using context clues in lectures. Remember, active listening, practicing with a variety of lectures, and reviewing the content are your best allies in mastering this skill. We hope this video was helpful and will assist you in improving your English listening comprehension. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.